Shifting our focus to the economic calendar for next week, we analyze how upcoming news and events may influence the movements of currency pairs and cryptocurrencies.
Are you a trader? Aren't you profitable yet? Do you need a free consultation? Go to the Indices Forex Academy website. Select Consultant Appointment in the main menu and finally set up an appointment to talk with our experts.
We appreciate your attention. At Indices Forex Academy, we offer weekly forex and crypto analysis and forecast to keep you informed. Additionally, you'll receive daily forex and crypto signals. Help us grow by liking, commenting, and subscribing to stay updated with our profitable signals and analysis.